I'm using 3 strands for the blanket stitch, and technically it does start at this top corner, but I'm going to make a straight stitch first, and you'll see why later. It's because I'll want my ends to match, but I'm going to come back up to this top corner, come through, and then down in the next bottom dot, leave a loop, and come up at the top dot right above that, and through your loop, pull it taut. And then we're going to insert our needle back down in the bottom dot. Leave a loop here and come up in the top and pull it taut again. Sometimes this stitch is used for edging. Sometimes it's used at the top of 2 fabrics to attach 2 fabrics together. And this top line will be wherever you start. So if we had started at the bottom, we would have a whole line across the bottom. But I wanted it at the top, so I started my blanket stitch at the top corner. We continue the whole way across like that. And you want to pull your thread to that little corner each time. And it can be tricky to keep it even. So every once in a while you might have to tug at that loop to make sure that your corner stayed square. I have a few other videos that show how I've done this attaching 2 fabrics or attaching back felt to a hoop with this stitch. On the last one, you'll secure your thread by going right to the outside corner and tying it off. Now you can see that that first stitch I did matches the end so that we have a straight stitch on both ends.